Hey there, gadget lovers. Welcome back to another exciting tech review video where we explore the most useful and innovative tools that can make your everyday life simpler, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're into cleaning, fitness, DIY, or puzzles, today's lineup has something amazing for everyone. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Replacement washer gun. The replacement high-pressure short washer gun is a true powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. Built with premium materials like a solid brass valve and seamless steel tube, this gun can handle up to 310 bar or 4,500 psi of pressure. Talk about serious cleaning strength. It's designed for durability, featuring leak-free technology and a compact, ergonomic grip that makes cleaning comfortable and efficient. Whether you're washing vehicles, patios, or driveways, this gun connects easily with M22 or 3/8-inch quick connectors, compatible with most pressure washer hoses. If you're tired of bulky, inefficient washer guns, this compact model will change how you clean forever. Number 4. Underdesk Elliptical. Meet the Underdesk Elliptical machine, the perfect workout partner for your home office. With 12 adjustable speeds, you can easily customize your exercise intensity while working, reading, or watching TV. It features a convenient remote control for effortless adjustments, and the noiseless design ensures a smooth, quiet workout experience. No distractions, just motion. A bright digital display keeps track of time, speed, distance, and calories burned, motivating you to stay active even during your busiest days. Whether you're toning your legs or improving blood circulation, this elliptical keeps you moving while you work. Number 3. Portable bicycle pump. The 100 psi portable bicycle pump is a must-have for every cyclist. Compact, lightweight, and built for convenience, it's your perfect roadside companion. It features a digital LCD pressure gauge that lets you monitor tire pressure accurately, and the built-in memory function remembers your preferred settings. No more guesswork. With dual valve compatibility for both Schrader and Presta valves, it works seamlessly across different bikes and inflatables. Weighing only 145 grams, it's easy to carry in your backpack or pocket. Whether you're on a long ride or prepping for your next adventure, this pump ensures your tires are always ready for action. Number 2. Qiyi Smart Cube. Get ready to challenge your brain with the Qiyi 3x3 Smart Cube. This AI-powered magnetic cube takes the traditional puzzle experience to the next level with smooth magnetic rotation and intelligent tracking. Built with premium plastic and strong magnetic positioning, it ensures every twist and turn feels effortless. Whether you're a beginner or a pro speed cuber, this cube enhances both your skills and focus. It's certified safe, built to last, and perfect for kids, teens, and adults who love solving puzzles or want to sharpen their logical thinking. Number 1. Cruiser Wooden Model. If you love creativity and craftsmanship, the 420 PCS Cruiser Motorcycle Wooden Model is your dream project. This 3D wooden puzzle kit brings the excitement of building your own motorcycle to life, piece by piece. Made from eco-friendly wood, each laser-cut part fits perfectly, ensuring a smooth assembly experience. With 420 precision pieces, it's a fun challenge for both kids and adults, offering hours of relaxation and satisfaction once completed. Whether it's a personal hobby, a decorative display, or a thoughtful gift, this model combines fun, focus, and creativity into one unforgettable project. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.